Types of Google Ads explained. Which one should you use? Ever search for something online and suddenly those products or services follow you everywhere on YouTube, blogs, even in your inbox? That's Google Ads. But with so many types, search, display, video, shopping, how do you know which one actually works for your business? Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks, and we help brands cut through the noise to build paid ad strategies that actually drive growth, not just clicks. I have worked with businesses across industries, local, online, service-based, and product-driven, and I have seen how the right Google ad can completely shift your results. Let's break down the 6 major types of Google Ads. I will walk you through what each one does, when it makes the most sense, and how to know if it's the right fit for your goals. Number 1. Search ads. These are the text ads that shows up on the top of Google when someone types in something like tax consultant near me or best yoga mats. They are ideal when your customer already knows what they want and is actively searching for it. Think services, high intent products, or even local businesses. Number 2. Display ads. Display ads are those image-based banners you see while reading articles, using apps, or scrolling through a blogs. These ads are great for getting your brand in front of people, even if they aren't searching just yet. They are more about visibility and staying top of the mind. Number 3. Shopping ads. These are product-based ads that shows images, prices, ratings, usually at the top of search results. If you are an e-commerce and want a potential buyer to see your product before they even click, this is a powerful tool. It filters out low intent traffic and speed up decisions. Video ads. YouTube. These run before or during YouTube videos, and they are hard to ignore. They are perfect if you have got a strong visual message, a demo, or even a short story to tell. Whether you want to build brand awareness or a drive action, video ads let you speak directly to your audience. Number 5. Performance Max. This one's newer, all-in-one campaign type. Google uses machine learning to place your ads across search, display, YouTube, maps, you name it. If you want broad reach without managing each ad type, typically this lets Google optimize across platforms based on your conversion goals. Number 6. App campaigns. Have an app you want more install for? App campaigns do exactly that. Google promotes it across search, YouTube, and the Play Store using your assets, and it handles placement automatically. It's great for scaling a mobile users fast without constant tweaking. Choosing the right ad isn't about trends, it's about timing, goals, and where your audience is in the journey. Still wondering which one fits your business? Drop your industry or a product in the comments, and I will reply with a quick recommendation. Or let me know, have you tried Google Ads before? What worked? What didn't? If this helped clear up some confusion, hit like, share it with someone who tries to figure out Google Ads, and subscribe for more straightforward digital marketing guides. See you in the next one.